ama-renovation process they are almost done. Sekushoda ukuthi net spende lo miru bemuhle. Ayi nangivele mina guys ngiyavuka sekuseni lapha ngisho ngiphuma endlini fast lapha ngithi yazi nathi ngishaya around ne-town ngiyodobhadobha amapende lapha e-Top Tea Time. Ubaba wami bekathi ufuna uhamba nami e-town mara ngoba ngifuna ukumbamba ngi-surprise ngivele ngamshayashaya ngathi hayi Thama ngiyabuya ngisalane kabo Arvona fast. Yokudala ngifuna ukuthi lendlu kababa wami ukuthi ipendwe yo ngese sinet ukuthi amashumbe awangavumi but Thomas nini ngithize mangibhorekile ngangena ku-website yase-Top Tea manje ngiyabhekabheka ngithi hayi man mosilana kuyathengeka. If bekungasithi ukuthi kuyathengeka lana e-Top Tea Tile yangibona ukuthi lendlu kababa wami lama-renovations wakhona besizowaqedelela manje namanje. Yazi kumnandi njani ukuthi kufika uDisemba afike nasendlini kulungisiwe nanoma kufika izivakashi zibona ukuthi hayi khona nokho abantwana bakamzala bayalungisa ekhaya abakahlaleli utshwala. Nawa nama-combo ma-tiles alahlile lana you can get i-combo tile from 869 rand. Eish mara yazi nathi ngifocus entweni engiyizele lana ngasho ngibhekabheka amapende ongafunako lapha sengiyabuza ukuthi iphi right. Phela kubalekile ukuthi mawufika esitolo guys ubuza ukuthi iphi sharp for ngaphandle iphi sharp for phakathi. Labantu abasebenza lana abazokusiza plus itafula lana nasi-friendly blind. Fast bese sengibhadala lapha yiwo amapende ongakhethile lawo as Christmas gift kababa wami ukuthi aqedelele ukurenovate indlu yakhe. If you are also fixing your place, go to Top Tea and ask for the combo deals and use my promo code Goodwill1. When you have spent over 2,000 rands, you will get 200 rands off. The offer is valid until 10 January 2026. Phuthuma manje. Don't forget to use my promo code.